friend, welcome back to my channel Take W3 Wave. This is Vijay Kumar. Take W3 Wave, it is a platform where you can learn step by step all about the Salesforce application and development. In this tutorial, you will be learn our framework, LWC, Apex Class Trigger, Visual Force, and many more. So now let's get started. In this lesson, we will be learn about how to get logged in user detail like user ID, name, email is active without Apex class in LWC component. So friends, here we will be fetch the data without Apex class and we will be get logged in user detail. That means that user that is currently logged in the system. So current user detail that is login in the system, we will be get the name, ID, email, ejective field without Apex class in LWC component. So follow these steps to achieve this scenario. We need to follow three type of a step to achieve this scenario. Step number one, step number two, and step number three. So in the step number one, first we need to create a custom add. This is my custom add LWC app example. Then move on the step number two. In the step number two, click on the gear icon. Once click on the gear icon, you will be get edit page. Once click on the edit page, we will be move on the step number three. In the step number three, we will be call my LWC component into the custom app. So friends, here you can see I am displaying in the LWC component current user detail like a user ID, user name, user email, ejective, and alias name. So this is a field name. This is a current user detail value. So in this lesson, we will be learn how to fetch current user detail like name, email, ejective, and alias name in LWC component. So now let me jump to my Salesforce org where we will be see live demo scenario. So now let's get started. So friends, this is my Salesforce credential org. I open my LWC component into the Lightning Studio. This is my component name. This is a component JavaScript and this is a meta XML file. So in the LWC component, first I created a Lightning card. Inside the Lightning card, I pass a title. So this is a title of the page. How to get current user detail in LWC component. And here I am passing icon name as well. Standard user. So after lightning card, I am creating a div. Inside the div, I creating a table. So I will be display the current user detail inside the table. So first you can see inside the table I created a T body, then TR. This is a table of row. So friends, each and every TR I created two TT. That means two column of the row. So here you can see first column for the user ID and second column for the display the value. Friends, here you can see each and every TR I created two TD. That means each and every row has two columns. First column I displaying the field name and second column I am displaying a value. So here you can see this is a user ID, this is a value. This is a username, it is a value. This is a email ID for user, this is a value. This is a is active and this is a value. This is a alias name, this is a value. So here you can see inside the table I display the current user detail like user ID, username, email, ejective and alias name. And in the second column I am displaying the value. So friends, each and every column the value coming from the LWC component JavaScript and here I am passing the variable. So friends, this is a variable that is coming from the LWC JavaScript and this variable storing the dynamically value that is coming from the Salesforce. So friends, here you can see I created different type of the variable and different type of variable storing different type of the value. Now let me move on the JavaScript file. So friends, as you know, here I am not writing Apex Class controller. Here I am retrieving list of the current user detail through the library. So friends, here you can see I am importing UI record API. This is a very important library. If you want to retrieve data without Apex Class controller, you need to import UI record API library. So friends, based on this library, I am retrieving list of the user detail. So here I am retrieving ID of the user. So friends, first I am importing user ID, then I am importing library, then I am importing user name, then I am importing user email, then I am importing user is active, then I am importing user alias. So these are the field of the user that I am importing in the LWC JavaScript file. So first I am importing the field name of the user. In the export method, I created different type of the variable. This is a user ID, current user name, current user email ID, current is active, current user alias, and error. These are the variable I am creating in the export method, and I will be store the dynamically value into the variable, and that variable I will be passed to the LWC component. So friends, here you can see I am using other wire decorated get record. So friends, here you can see I am using other wire decorated to get the record, and I am displaying the current user detail value in the LWC component. So in the wire decorator, first I am passing get record. Get record that is I am importing the UI record library. So friends, this is a very important library. If you want to retrieve data without Apache's controller, you need to import this library. So first I am importing the library. This is the name of the get record library name, and here I am passing inside the wire decorator function. Then I am using curly bracket that is a object type, and here I am using record ID. This is record ID colon ID. This one then fields. Here I am passing different type the field of the user name field. Here you can see user name of field. So here I am. So first I am importing the field name. Then here I am passing. So here you can see each and every field I am passing inside the field here. So first I am importing, then here I am passing. After I am using user detail, and inside the bracket I am passing two parameter error and data. Then here I am checking if condition. If data retrieved successfully, then I am storing the data. So this is a variable that is created here. So inside the variable I am storing the value. So friends, here you can see this is a variable for username, this is a variable for the user email ID, this is a variable for the current active, this is a variable for the user alias. So each and every variable I am storing different type of value. So I am storing the value name, email, is active and alias. So friends, this variable I am calling to the LWC component here. So first I am storing the value inside the variable, and that variable I am calling to the LWC component to display the value in the LWC component. Then I am using the else part. If any kind of issue occur during the fetching the data, it will be stored in the error variable. So this is a part of the JavaScript. Now let me move on the meta.xml file. So in the meta.xml file, I created target and targets. So in the target, I am applying app page, record page, and home page. That means this LWC component will be visible on the app page, record page, and home page. So friends, one by one, I displaying different type of the field of user. So friends, now let me move on the Salesforce org where we will be called LWC component. This is my Salesforce org. First, go to the gear icon, edit the page. Then I will be call my LWC component. So my component name is LWC current user info. So first I will be search my LWC component, LWC current user info. This is my LWC component, LWC current user info. Select and drag and drop here and save. Once save successfully, then go back. And friends, here you can see I retrieving current user detail inside the table in the LWC component. So this is a table. Each and every row I created two columns. First column for the field name, second column for the display the value. So here you can see this is a user ID, this is a username, this is a user email, this is a is active true and alias name V Kumar. So friends, here you can see this is a my user detail. This is a Vijay Kumar, and you can see this is a user detail that I am fetching the data. This is a my email ID PJKR3327, and this is active. So friends, this is a user that I login currently, and all of the log detail value I am displaying in the LWC component here. So friends, this is a logged user detail that is a currently I am login, and Logged user detail ID is this. Logged user detail name is this. Vijay Kumar. This is a email ID. This is a ejective true and this is a alias name. So here I am retrieving current user detail without writing Apex class controller and display in the LWC component. Hence, if you find value in my content, consider making a small donation to support the channel. Friends, as you know, my content is designed to guide you step by step through real world scenarios. I am ensuring, friends, you get practical and hands-on experience inside the tutorial. Friends, if my video bringing value to your learning journey, consider making a small donation to support the continued creation of high quality tutorial for you. Your small donation will motivate me to produce even more in-depth content for you. Friends, I would like to a special thank to everyone for a small donation to support the channel. Friends, after making a small donation, please send me your donation screenshot on my email or WhatsApp. I will send you an exclusive ebook bonus gift with advanced sales for tips, tricks, and strategy to take your skill to the next level. So, friends, by donating, you are not just investing in only your own growth, you are contributing to the success of countless other as well. So, friends, here you are thinking after donating what you are will be get bonus as a gift. So now let me explain about what you will be get bonus after donating and support to me. Friends, scan QR code from here and make a small donation to support the channel. After support the channel, please share your screenshot on my email or WhatsApp so that we can send you an exclusive bonus gift on your email. So friends, here you can see I will be sending you bonus gift as two ebook. These are the books you are very powerful in the Salesforce. First ebook are Master of Apex Trigger and second ebook are Sales for Tutorial. So friends, both of the ebook published on Amazon. If you check on the Amazon, this is the Apex Trigger and this is a Sales for Tutorial. So friends, the Apex Trigger, the price on the Amazon is 333 rupees and sales for tutorial, the price on Amazon is 199 rupees. So both of the ebook I will provide as a bonus gift after donating and support to this channel. Friends, so these are the ebook you will be get after donating and supporting to the channel. So friends, after donating a small amount to the channel, please share your screenshot on this email ID and you can share your screenshot on WhatsApp on this phone number. So friends, after making a small donation to this channel, I will be share both of the ebook on your email so that you will be get so many tips, trick and strategy in the Salesforce. So friends, let's grow together, watch, donate and start your journey to get success by today. Friends, if you want to soft copy code of all files, check on description of this video. In the description of this video, I will provide live demo scenarios link so that you can simply copy and paste to create functionality in your personal org. And you will be save lot of time, energy and effort. Friends, you can also schedule a meeting with me. I will provide schedule meeting link in the description of this video. If you are stuck in any kind of issue during development, schedule meeting with me. I will help you to resolve the issue. You will be get schedule meeting link in the description of this video. You can schedule meeting with me as per your availability date and time. Thank you.